This is a plant that we have been searching for, and we finally got our hands on it. Do you know what it is? It is a part of the mint family. That's a hint. Um, Hello everyone. My name is Saroya, and welcome back to our channel. I am so happy that you're here with us, and we welcome our new subscribers. We thank you for your support and do continue to follow along on our journey. I hope that these videos will be somewhat motivating to you, that you will be able to start your own garden. Just even a small container, that's good enough. All right. Now back to this plant. It is called sage, and it is a part of the mint family. Right. It smells kind of minty. We haven't been cooking with this for a while. I don't even remember how it tastes, but I know it goes well with meat. You can season your meat with this to give it a tasty flavor. Um, I heard it is from the Mediterranean, and it is a perennial. Oh, there's something on it. There's a bug on it. Look at it. I want to eat the leaves already. So it is a perennial. When this blooms, it will produce purple, white, or pink flowers. So that's supposed to be attractive in the garden, right? Yes. Now, as I said before, it is from the Mediterranean, and it has a lot of health benefits. Hmm. Now, you can make tea with this, and it helps with any digestive issues. Not only that, it helps with sore throat and also inflammation. All right, so this comes in a very good time, at a very good time, because it can help with my sore throat. I think I have it a little bit still, right? So sore throats and inflammation. So it's a very wonderful herb to have in your garden, one of the herbs that you should have in your garden for the many medicinal properties. It will take well drained soil. Also, it is very drought tolerant. So we're very happy to hear that, because now it's so hot. It's so hot here. So everything is just drying up. Most of the things that are, you know, soft bodied in nature, it's just being scorched up by the sun. Look at this. For example, this being scorched by the sun. So it's very hot here. So they say that this is very drought tolerant and heat tolerant. So let's see. So I'm gonna plant it out. And when it gets bigger, I'm gonna try to propagate it, because you can get a lot of plants from this. Right. And they say it's also good for pest control. Those pests that you have in the garden that are creating havoc. Well, sage is also good for that as well. So I'm gonna put it in this container right here. All right, so I'm digging a hole that will fit the size of the plant. This is a very old. This is not good. I don't know. All these are broken. Springs are out. So we need to source some more of these pruners. So, okay, the plant. So this is the plant. It's in red dirt. Look at my hands. We got some rain yesterday. So very, very grateful for that. The plants are loving the rain. All right, so thrive in this container, sage. And it is just a wonderful feeling just to sit quiet in the garden and just look at the plants, you know, so relaxing, so therapeutic, right? But back to our planting. Now, our next herb has needle-like leaves, and you should all know this. This is rosemary. Again, it has healing properties. Now, rosemary has numerous health benefits. It contains compounds such as rosmarinic acid, camphor, and caffeic acid, which have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Now, it is also from the Mediterranean, and it is traditionally used to improve digestion. So you can see a number of these herbs, they do aid in digestion. All right, so it's best to have these in your garden because anytime you feel sick, you can just go to the garden and pick something. Ginger, good for tummy ache, stomach bug. The rosemary, the sage, you can have flu, you can do leaf of life, and what else? What else? We have fever grass. So there are so many medicinal herbs that you should be growing in your garden now, right? Your to aid in having a better health, so to speak. All right, so back to rosemary. It is also, I said, I think it's from the Mediterranean as well, and it has a lot of healing properties. Also, it is a pest deterrent. Right, so not only that, do you know that rosemary boosts memory and concentration, and it also alleviates muscle pain. So having fresh rosemary in the garden allows for easy access to these health benefits through teas, infusions, and topical applications. Now, of course, you can use rosemary to cook with. You can season your pot with it. Some people use it in their rice and peas. Some people, well, we put it on our fish. Some people use it on their chicken, their beef. Yeah, so it adds a very good flavor to your dishes. So you can try that as well. So I'm going to plant it out now. We have a number of rosemary bushes in the garden. And so we just got this one. I might probably cut this a bit and then try to root it to get another plant. Probably I'll do that. So I'm gonna root this piece. I'll take off the lower leaves down here, use it in our dishes, and then put this part in water to root. So we have another plant. And what I'm doing here is to interplant, because this is a beetroot. So I'm just interplanting. So when you add another crop into a container that has one other crop, that's called interplanting. Just removing the bottom leaves from the dirt. Alright, so what is in this bucket is some rabbit poo tea. So we have it in this laundry bag. So I'm going to take some from it to water the transplants. I'm going to take some and just put a little water on top of this to dilute it. And this has been brewing for about a month. Well, we had this about 3 months now or more, but we use it and keep on adding water to it. Alright, so, and you can easily lift it out of the bag, out of the container, and it will just stream without having any of the sediments in the water. So that is what this bag is for. Alright, so let it sit there for a while because we fertilized some plants yesterday with it. So I'm just going to fertilize those 2 plants with it. So I'm going to add some water to this to dilute it a bit. So stripping the bottom part off. And in the container it goes. So leave this to root. And then plant that out. So that's one more rosemary plant. I'm not going to put it in the sun. So I'm going to find a shady spot for it. Let me see over here. And here we have Malabar spinach. This is the green one, rooting. And this is the red one. And we have some other green ones down here that the seeds fell and they just germinate. So yeah, so in no time this will bush up. So all of this is a spinach bed. Green Malabar spinach and also the red one. Alright, so just an update on our sweet potato bed from the sacks. So this one is growing well. And they're both doing well. So this sack is here. And this is the other one over here. So they're both doing well. We realize that when we have them outside, they have a lot of whiteflies in the greenhouse. Not quite so. 1 or 2 whiteflies, but that's basically it. Let me take this plant off, this leaf off, and this one. Seeing some leaf miners going through. But they're thriving. So pretty soon, probably in October, we can start reap. Just give it enough time to form their tubers, but they're in the soil sack, the bag, the soil at the back, the bag that the soil came in. That's where they're planted. All right, so we have 2 of them, but we need to root some more. Not sure where we'll put them, but we have to find some space because more food is needed. All right. Please continue on our journey. And for those persons who are watching and you have not subscribed as yet, we want you to hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell so that you'll be aware of when we post new videos. We would like our channel to grow and you can help us in that regard by sharing our videos, commenting, liking, because it helps with the algorithm. So we will appreciate that very, very much for that kind of support. Thank you again, and we will see you pretty soon. Have a blessed day and be safe. Bye bye. Oh, remember to start that garden one container at a time. See you pretty soon. Take care.